Hey everybody, this is Boomy Moore, Presidential Marketing Director with FDI. We just finished our Tuesday night business presentation, and once again the majority of the guests came to the front of the room to sign up. And that's really what it's been looking like over the last 2 months since we've been giving away our free discount pharmacy card, folks. And this business is exploding because people like easy and people like free. And I'm telling you, think about this. Your job is never going to give you the income that you need to lead the real, true lifestyle that you want. And even if you are on a job where you're making a high income, a lot of times that job owns your life. You don't have any time freedom. So we're talking about being able to have a business where you have time freedom and financial freedom. You know, I'm a mother of 5. I've been married for almost 20 years now. And I do this business in amongst my day. So whether it is helping the kids with homework or going to the grocery store, still doing all those things, but as I'm doing them, guess what I'm doing? I'm giving away free discount pharmacy cards. I'm saying, here's a gift for you. Here's a blessing for you. I was in Walmart today shopping and giving out cards, and people were like, oh, thank you, thank you. They absolutely loved it. I got probably 3 or 4 or 5 numbers from people who want to look at this business opportunity. So whether you're going to use the traditional way of doing network marketing and meeting people you know, or whether you're going to use the internet and use internet marketing, people like easy, people like free, and it doesn't get any easier than giving away a free discount pharmacy card and getting paid for every single prescription for the rest of someone's life. So give me a call at 443-864-9440. Again, this is Boomy. Call me at 443-864-9440, and we can tell you more about the opportunity with Financial Destination. I'll see you at the top.